In this question, we're asked to identify several different reactions, and these are basically our choices. The first one here is a combination. A plus B yields AB. So two things combine to form one thing, so we call that a combination reaction. The next is a decomposition. XY yields X plus Y. So one thing that's combined forms two new things. That's a decomposition, it decomposes. The next is a single displacement, which could also be called a single substitution or a single replacement reaction, depending on the type of book that you're using. But here you have A plus BC yields AC plus B. So essentially A is now combined with C, so it replaces B, and B is by itself. So that is a single displacement reaction. This is very common in battery technology, for example. The next is a double displacement reaction, which is AB plus CD yields AD plus CB. So A goes with D, the positive of this goes with the negative of this, so we get AD, and C goes with B, the positive of this goes with the negative of this, because usually we write the positive ion first and the negative ion second, so we get CB. This is a double displacement, which could also be called a double replacement or a double substitution type of reaction, depending on the book that you are using. These are very common in precipitation reactions, and you'll do several reactions like this in the lab. So here we have lithium plus HCl yields LiCl plus H2. So Li replaces H, and now H is by itself, but because H is diatomic, you do end up with H2. This is a single displacement because lithium replaces hydrogen. Next, we have Mg plus Cl2 yields MgCl2. Two things become one thing. This is a combination reaction. And then finally, we have KNO3 yields KNO2 plus O2, which is again diatomic. So we have one thing becomes two things. This is a decomposition.